What's up, guys? Cave Troll here. I was a good boy, and my wife didn't have to go to work today, so I got to drive her car. Don't let the sunny blue sky fool you. It's still cold outside, and the mountains over to the right still have snow on the top of them. And I think they're calling for more snow tomorrow, so yeah. Anybody else feel like Mother Nature needs to figure out what the hell she wants to do this winter instead of being bipolar? It's a facade. So yeah, guys. So most of y'all on my channel know Motorcycle Den. If not, I'll link his I have a link in the description to his channel and to the video I'm talking about. About 2 months ago, he did a video where this crazy lady was trying to run him off the road, and there, you know, this whole back and forth thing happened on the highway and everything, and he finally, you know, got to a gas station and got away from her a little bit, and then she showed up to the gas station. But you know, my comment on that thing was kind of like about like some of the other people on the, you know, on the comments was yeah, that's why a lot of us, you know, a lot of us carry while we ride. And on somebody else made a comment under mine, you know, pretty much do the same thing, and oh my god, are you really going to go 20 miles an hour? But yeah, somebody else made a comment under mine saying about the same thing, and then I think it was like last week, some dude posted referring to the other guy that made the comment about how, you know, what was he supposed to do, shoot over his shoulder, and do you really think that he was supposed to shoot him or something like that? I mean, I don't know, guys. You tell me how you would have handled it. I mean, if I was on my bike, some crazy lady or crazy guy, don't matter, crazy alien, I don't care, sitting there trying to run me off the road. Now, if I'm by myself, yeah, I might try to take off to see if I can get away from them. You know, if I'm by myself. Then again, I'm on a freaking 40-year-old motorcycle. Unless there's a lot of traffic, you know, there's a good chance of me not outrunning somebody. But if, like he was, when, you know, he had his wife on the back, yeah, you bet your butt you're going to end up with about 17 rounds going through your windshield. I mean, I don't know. Tell me how y'all feel, because to me, you're trying to assault me with your vehicle, which is considered a deadly weapon. So under the, I mean, I would say under a court system, I mean, you would be justified for using your weapon to try to protect you. But yeah, guys, tell me how you feel about that whole situation. I mean, I'm glad he got away, and I'm glad, you know, nobody got hurt and everything, but I don't know. Maybe I'm just an asshole and could care less. But if somebody endangers me, my, you know, my family, or, you know, my friends, yeah, sorry for you. Yeah, guys, I'll let you get going. If you like what you see in here, like, share, subscribe, comment. Cave Troll out. Peace.